Dapat si Kokoy, di ba?
Oo.
Siya
si Curly.
Curly Mook niya. Diba? But you know, that day na lumabas yun, tinext ko si Bitoy. Sabi ko, pre, galing, huling-huli mo. Meron kasi akong character, ang pangalan niya si Felma. Ewan kung nakita nyo na yun. Si Felma yung nanay na ano. Sabi niya, parang mas kamukha ni Felma. Kaya ako yung Felma. So, yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time.
Na-miss mo siya?
Si Bitoy, lagi ko naman siya nakikita. Kapitbahay ko yun eh. So, pero yung makipagtrabaho with him, yes, na-miss ko yun. So,
Yung partnership with him.
yeah.
Oh. Baka dami yung pwedeng gawin together ngayon. Choose your fighter, choose your character.
Madami. Si Bitoy, ang last encounter ko with him was nag-golf kami. Kasi, siguro last June or something. Kasi, kinasal yung anak ko nung May sa Australia. Pag-uwi ko, medyo tagal ako hindi nag-practice mag-golf. So nag-sign up. Sa golf kasi kailangan mag-sign up ka para makuha ka ng tea time. So tamang-tama, yung nakuha kong tea time parang alas 3. Wala naman akong kalaro. Pagdating ko doon, kita ko Beethoven Bunagan. Si Bitoy ito ano to? Bakit siya na? Bigla siya dumating, surprise! So, we had a good time. Chikahan kami, and then naglaro kami. So, that was the last time we had a good time together.
That's so nice.
Ay, di pala. Nung birthday ko pala, nagpunta pala siya sa bahay ko. August.
Very surprised na yung all your songs siya ang nag-up sa Spotify yung nandito o hindi yung
Kasi dati papalit-palit siya. Ang dating nagna-number 1 sa akin yung Kung Mawawala Ka, yung duet namin ni Regina hanggang ngayon, minsan yung Huwag Ka Lang Mawawala, Kailangan Kita. Pero yung Nandito Ako, Como siguro dahil yun yung unang-unang, sobrang tagal na.
Parang bago.
Parang naging bago ulit. So ngayon, number 1 na siya sa Spotify list ko. Hindi naman ako nagugulat, pero nakakatuwa. Ako mas more natutuwa ako na. Ay, galing. Kasi di ba pag sa Spotify, pag meron kang nagustuhan kanta, bigla papakinggan mo na lahat eh.
Yes.
You know? So that adds on to people who will discover your music and people who will appreciate your music anew. Di ba? Yung, ang ganda nito Yeah. With whom? Yes. In-invite ko siya sa showtime ng birthday ko. We sang together. We sang Ikaw Sana. And that's his new single. Ikaw Sana. Tama mo, mas updated ako Ako na manager niya ngayon.
Ikaw Sana.
Kinuwento sa akin ni Boss Vic. Yung single niya, Ikaw Sana. So, napakinggan ko, pinadala nila ako nung version niya, which is great. I think he's a better singer than me. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy that someone as influential and to the younger people as him appreciates the music that we used to do.
That's so nice. Kamusta si Nate? Si Nate ganun din? Kasi I know he's also musically inclined,
Yeah,
right?
he's nung summer break niya, nag-guitar lesson siya. And baka magalit yung anak ko, pero
May girlfriend na?
hindi. He signed up for a play.
Wow!
Last year kasi, sabi niya, Dad, I'm in a musical. Musical? Kumakanta ka ba, anak? So, yeah. Ayun pala, background lang siya. So, nanood kami, and nakatuwa naman kasi he didn't mind being chorus lang siya, and just learning the ropes. And then this year, sabi niya, hey, Mom, Dad, I'm auditioning for a play.
Oh, wow.
Sabi ko, sila musical? No, it's acting. Wow, artista ka na,
Wow, guys!
So sabi ko, well, hope you get the part. But if not, that's okay. At least you tried.
Learn to audition.
Eh, naliligo ako sa niya, Dad! Sabi ko, bakit? I got the part. Sabi ko, wow. Isa pa yung anak ko, nakakatuwa. Kasi, alam mo yung mga bata ngayon, sobrang, ano sila, updated sa mga kung ano yung trending, di ba? Pati sa songs. So, siya yung nagbabalita sa akin, Dad, your song, it's in Billboard top something, 60, top 50. Sabi ko, hindi ko na naintindihan yung mga ganun, di ba? Eh, hindi na namin kasi kaming mga senior, hindi na namin iniisip yung mga ganyan.
Season.
Yeah, di ba? So, season. Tapos sabi niya, really? Is that a big thing? Yes, Dad, you're above this and above that. And sabi ni Regine, kita may anak mo, sobrang proud sa'yo. But it's good that, you know, that he appreciates, I guess, what Mom and Dad do. But he's not also, hindi siya yung, okay lang sa kanya kahit hindi siya bida, and he wants to learn the ropes. Well, ngayon, bida na siya. He got the part so bida na siya. Nak, sorry nakwento ko lang. Mahihain kasi.
Okay, going back to nandito ako.
Yeah.
Is there a plan to have it re-recorded to give it a fresh new
Wow.
flavor?
It's a great question. Should I?
It's a great question.
Why not?
Should I?
Yes.
Ikaw na lang.
Ikaw na.
Hirap kausap ng mga lang.
I know. No, I am recording it.
Ikaw na lang.
Pina-arrange ko na the way I wanted it. When I was in London, kasi kararating lang namin, di ba? So, pinakinggan ko yung arrange. Ako, oh my goodness, this sounds so good. And I have already visions of it being sung, I guess, in my next concert.
Sino nag-arreglo?
Si Bobby Velasco. He's now my musical director.
Siya na.
Si Bobby Velasco. And sabi ko, I want it orchestral. I want strings in this part.
Oh, wow.
I want... It sounds so good. So, that's gonna be my next release. So the answer to your question is yes. I will.
Excited. Excited kami.
I'm also scared, but at the same, yeah.